Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for the tutorial how to deactivate your Facebook account, you have come to the right videos. Because in this video I'm gonna show you the tutorial how to deactivate your Facebook account. Okay, so let's get started in this video. Let's open your Facebook apps, and after that go to menu setting on the upper in the right corner. Tap on it and go to your setting menu. The gear logo, tap on it, and after that go to here, see more in account center. Okay, and make sure your Facebook apps have been updated in the latest update. Yes. Okay, and then tap on it and go to personal detail, tap on it and click account ownership and control, tap on it. Here you select the deactivation or deletion and select your Facebook, and here select the deactivate account and click continue. Click continue again, and here you just input your password and click continue, and select the reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account and select anything here or here, and I select it and then click continue. And here you can select the automatically reactive your account. Here I setting to about 3 days or 2 days, and click done, then click continue and click deactivate my account. Okay guys, and your Facebook account has been deactivated and will not be activated until you logging it again. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.